is up, YouTube? Today I am going to teach you how to make a baby Iron Man chest plate out of cardboard. What you'll need: hot glue sticks, tons of cardboard, a scissor or an X-Acto knife, and some reference photos. I started out by measuring my baby. Then, by looking at reference photos, I looked at how the Armour chest plate will be for the designs. Then, on the sides of the chest plate, I started to trace the indents where Iron Man's suit started to curve inward. Therefore, I would be able to add pieces when it was time to curve. Then I started on Iron Man's stomach pads, the parts where it gives the armor a more detailed look. Then, using my X-Acto knife, I cut out the pieces. And by the way, guys, you're gonna make 3 of them. Next step, you are gonna start by drawing out curved cardboard pieces, and you will make 3 of them, and you will see why. So this is what all of your pieces should look like. Then you are gonna assemble it. Now for the arc reactor in the middle of his chest plate, I use an old duct tape roll to trace out the circle. Alright guys, on the side of the chest plate armor, you are gonna hot glue the sides, and we're gonna start focusing on the indents of Iron Man's armor chest plate. So I'm gonna attach this curved cardboard slanted piece and attach it on the armor. So that's the part that's gonna be like indented in his armor to give it that look. Alright guys, next you are gonna attach a cardboard piece and hot glue all the pieces to his chest plate. Alright guys, this is the next day and the armor looks pretty sick. So guys, what I was thinking is I will attach strings to the back and then I will put it on my baby boy. Alright, so this is the costume on my baby. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give a big thumbs up and be sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this tutorial. I will keep uploading every week, guys, and my next video will be a surprise. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!